In this video, I will be teaching you how to automate social media with n8n AI agent. So you can see we are currently onto our platform and our project is now created. If you want to do that, you can simply click on this plus icon and create a workflow. You have your credentials and your project. So start a new project, you can see, and now we are basically onto our workspace where we can build our different type of AI automations. If you want to automate social media, you can integrate different type of triggers. You can see we have app events that we can open. Let's just say you want to do something on YouTube. You can head over to YouTube and upload a video. Let's just say you want to upload a video. Here we got that. First you want to add your credentials, your channel credentials, of course. Then you need your authorization, client ID, and client secret. Once you connect your account, you need to add a resource, like for example your video. Then you have your operation. Let's just say you want to upload, and once you do, it is going to be added onto your workspace or your basically not building section. And once you are here, you can easily automate your social media, upload videos and content. To access n8n, you can use the link in the description below.